Morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions across the region this morning. Seeing a pleasant day in store for today. Already temperatures up in the upper 50s as of 10 a.m. Should see those temperatures peak out today around 60. Could be seeing that temperature maybe in the lower 60s, 61, 62 degrees, since we're already up in the upper 50s currently. Going to see a cold front move through tomorrow. We'll see some mild and breezy conditions before that for tomorrow, but overall well above normal temperatures for today and tomorrow, and we'll see a slight cool down once we move into the end of the work week with a area high pressure building in for the end of the work week. But overall for today, no chance of precipitation or lightning and light winds in general. Looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level around 6,000 feet. Winds are out of the north to northwest, and the low levels around 15 to 20 knots. Then seeing our winds more out of the west-northwesterly to northwesterly direction throughout the column this morning, seeing winds peaking around 80 knots at 25,000 feet. And currently looking at our surface analysis, we have high pressure in control. That's going to be the case for today, and then as I mentioned, we'll have a cold front moving through for tomorrow, and then another area high pressure building in for our Friday. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we have a little bit of cloud cover off to our south as well as our southwest. We'll see our upper level cloudiness kind of filter in and out of the region for today, but they're going to see a fair amount of that upper level thin cirrus for this afternoon with some filtered sunshine. And taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see here good conditions for today. Into tomorrow, we'll see more cloud cover, especially once moving into tomorrow morning with some mid-level cloudiness building in, and then seeing anywhere from about mostly cloudy to overcast skies throughout the day tomorrow with that mid and upper level cloudiness across the region. Going to introduce a chance of some showers and move into the late afternoon or the evening hours on our Thursday. And with that cold front moving through during that time, shouldn't see a lot of total precipitation here. The this 12Z run does enhance it a little bit, but it looks like our total precipitation should be around 1/10 of an inch across the area. Then once that cold front does move through the region, should see some clearing conditions overnight for Thursday night into Friday. As I mentioned, just high pressure building in for Friday. Look at the European model next few days here, that cold front sweeping through for tomorrow afternoon and the evening hours, and we'll see that high pressure building in for Friday. And Saturday we'll see that high pressure move off the coast, another quick moving clipper moving north of our area. That's going to give us some mild conditions for our Saturday as it appears now before that cold front moves through, and then some cooler conditions moving in for our Sunday, and looks like it'll be quite brisk as well with some northwesterly winds on Sunday, especially in the morning hours. But overall, Sunday does look much cooler compared to Saturday. And into Monday, very similar, more seasonable conditions for our area, high pressure in control. Before we see that high move off the coast for Tuesday, and seeing a possible warming trend across the region for the middle portion of next week. So looking at our wrist chart for today, a high today around 60 degrees. As I mentioned, already up to 58 or upper 50s currently, so could be seeing those temperatures a degree or two warmer than this forecast here. And then overnight, we'll see those temperatures fall back down into the lower 40s during the evening hours, seeing a overnight low around 43 degrees during the evening, and then temperatures rising overnight into the lower 50s by 8 local on Thursday morning. Light winds in general for today. We'll see those winds pick up overnight with the southerly winds increasing around 7 to 12 knots, and then seeing a southwesterly wind ahead of that cold front by tomorrow morning, possibly gusting as high as 24 knots. So as far as the wrist chart goes, we'll have a green chart across the board for today, and then yellow for tomorrow morning for our winds, possibly up to 25 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see a good amount of serious cloudiness across the region for especially this afternoon into the evening hours, and then lowering mid-level cloudiness down to 15,000 feet by tomorrow morning, but VFR conditions the next 24 hours in general. Our tides are running normal at this time, and looking at our Thursday into Friday. Thursday, mostly cloudy, overcast, and breezy. A chance of a late afternoon and early evening rain shower, be warm with a high of 64 degrees for Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of a lingering shower during the evening, becoming partly cloudy and slightly breezy late, a low of 39. And for Friday, partly cloudy and slightly breezy, high of 52 degrees, temperatures more towards seasonal levels on Friday. We'll see about a 60% chance of those rain showers moving through for our Thursday late afternoon and evening hours, and a slight chance we see a shower still lingering at that Thursday night time period, and that picks up at 8 p.m. or 20 local on Thursday, so could see that rain shower lingering about an hour into that time period. So looking at our next 7 days, we'll see temperatures in the 60s for today and tomorrow, back down to 50s for Friday, back up to the 60s on Saturday at 62. And with that cold front moving through late Saturday, could have a brief sprinkle moving through, a 15% chance. And then, as I mentioned, more towards seasonable average or slightly below average for Sunday and Monday, temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. And for Tuesday, we'll see temperatures back near 50. So looking like temperatures varying up and down across the region, with those warmer temperatures through Saturday, then cooler on Sunday, Monday, and then back towards seasonal levels once again on Tuesday, with a possible warming trend for the middle of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.